Hello everyone, so I am back with another video about the best children's drone you can buy on Amazon. Subscribing to our channel and pressing the bell icon will give you access to more interesting videos. The following list is based on my personal opinion and research, and is ranked based on quality features and pricing. Check out the links in the description below for updated pricing and more information on the products mentioned. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Did you know that introducing children to drone technology can boost their hand-eye coordination and spatial awareness? But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one for your young pilot? Stick around as we explore the top children's drones of 2025, ensuring fun, safety, and educational value. And hey, if you find any of these drones intriguing, I've dropped the purchase links in the description below for your convenience. Let's dive in. A video guide has been prepared to help you choose the best children's drone. Let's begin. On number 5 is Swifsen Mini Quadcopter Toy. Introducing the Swifsen Mini Quadcopter Toy, a drone that combines safety, ease of use, and engaging features, making it an excellent choice for introducing children to the world of drones. Priced at just $39.99, this drone offers a user-friendly experience with its headless mode, ensuring intuitive control for young pilots. Its durable design includes full fan blade protection and an upper protective cover, minimizing the risk of injury and damage. The drone's engaging features, such as 3D flips and automatic rotations, provide endless fun for kids. However, some users have noted that the battery life is shorter than expected, lasting about 4 minutes per charge. Overall, the Swifsen Mini Quadcopter Toy offers a blend of safety and entertainment, making it a worthwhile consideration for young drone enthusiasts. On number 4 is PLEGBLE FPV FoldableRC Quadcopter. Introducing the PLEGBLE FPV FoldableRC Quadcopter, a drone that promises to elevate your child's flying experience. Priced at $129.99, this drone boasts a 4K UHD camera with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens and a 90 degrees adjustable lens, capturing stunning aerial footage. Its foldable design and included storage case make it convenient for outdoor adventures. Equipped with 3 modular batteries, it offers an impressive 45 minutes of flight time. The brushless motors ensure stable and efficient flight, even in windy conditions. Designed with beginners in mind, it features one-key takeoff/landing, headless mode, and altitude hold for easy control. However, some users have noted that the drone's range is limited, with an out-of-range alarm activating between 328 to 393 feet. Overall, the PLEGBLE FPV FoldableRC Quadcopter combines advanced features with user-friendly controls, making it a solid choice for young drone enthusiasts. On number 3 is HASAKEE Q9s with remote control. Looking for a drone that combines fun, safety, and ease of use for your child? The HASAKEE Q9s might just be the answer. Priced at $39.98, this drone is designed with young pilots in mind. Its vibrant neon green and blue LED lights illuminate the entire frame, creating a captivating visual experience during flight. Safety is paramount, and the Q9s addresses this with sturdy propeller guards that prevent injuries and protect the drone from damage. Features like one-button takeoff and landing, headless mode, and altitude hold make it incredibly user-friendly, ensuring that children can focus on the joy of flying rather than complex controls. Additionally, the drone comes with 2 batteries, extending flight time to approximately 14 minutes. However, it's worth noting that the control range is limited, and the drone is best suited for indoor use or calm outdoor conditions. Overall, the HASAKEE Q9s offers a delightful and secure introduction to drone piloting for kids. On number 2 is Swifsen Mini with 3 batteries. Looking for a drone that combines fun, safety, and ease of use for your child? The Swifsen Mini drone might just be the answer. Priced at $39.99, this drone is designed with young pilots in mind. Its vibrant neon green and blue LED lights illuminate the entire frame, creating a captivating visual experience during flight. Safety is paramount, and the Q9s addresses this with sturdy propeller guards that prevent injuries and protect the drone from damage. Features like one-button takeoff and landing, headless mode, and altitude hold make it incredibly user-friendly, ensuring that children can focus on the joy of flying rather than complex controls. Additionally, the drone comes with 2 batteries, extending flight time to approximately 14 minutes. However, it's worth noting that the control range is limited, and the drone is best suited for indoor use or calm outdoor conditions. Overall, the HASAKEE Q9s offers a delightful and secure introduction to drone piloting for kids. Now moving to the last one is Hiturbo 3D Flips 2 batteries. Looking for the perfect children's drone that combines fun, safety, and ease of use? The Hiturbo S20 drone might just be what you're seeking. Priced at approximately $79.99, this foldable quadcopter is designed with beginners and kids in mind. One of its standout features is the 1080p adjustable camera, allowing users to capture both frontal and downward views, ideal for creative photography or inspecting hard-to-reach areas. With 2 rechargeable batteries, each offering about 12 minutes of flight time, you can enjoy extended play sessions without frequent recharging. Operating the drone is straightforward, thanks to features like altitude hold, 3D flips, headless mode, one-key takeoff/landing, and voice control. These functionalities make it an excellent choice for introducing children to the world of drones. However, some users have reported connectivity issues with the accompanying app, particularly with newer iPhone models. Ensuring your device is compatible before purchase is advisable. Overall, the Hiturbo S20 offers a balanced mix of features and affordability, making it a commendable option for young drone enthusiasts. So guys, this was the video about the best children's drone. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, tell us in the comments section about which one you like the most, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.